this is different. We're gonna go around between these little cement. Oh, I know, right? I feel like I'm in carpool. Very, very bumpy road.
Maybe that's what's railroad tracks. Maybe that's why they're changing.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, because the way the port is.
Railroad tracks.
Oh, there's railroad tracks in the parking lot.
Yeah, more railroad tracks.
$21 per day. She prints us this because we were using our phones, so they won't take your phone. You come from the parking lot, and then you have to come here. But the boat's over there. This is totally different. Definitely different. So now we checked in. Now we have to get on a shuttle to go across to the boat.
Thank you.
You may. Thank you. Now we have to take a bus, it looks like, over to the ship. So another negative, they are not going to allow me to take plastic bottles on the ship. Okay, apparently at this port, it has to be cans. You cannot take plastic bottles in. So at this port, I could not bring my vitamin water. I had to leave it. They wanted me to throw it away, but there was 3 of them. So I asked them just to give them to someone, the porter or somebody, because I hate to throw them away. Okay, we finally got through all that. So it seems to be no plastic at all. Stairs. Boarding. We got here an hour ago, and we haven't stopped moving in the line. So it's not like we've been waiting in a line. There's just so many steps between parking and the shuttle from the parking, and then where they check to make sure that we have all of our documents, and they check our passports, and then we get on a motor coach to come to this terminal, go through security. Now we're finally getting on the ship. So like I said, it's an hour process, and we did not stop. So it's not like I was standing and waiting. Be prepared.